Hello and welcome. If you are watching this video, you must be someone who took part in a IMA fast track opening seminar. This video is specifically for commerce students, commerce stream. Now, if you took part in the opening seminar, you would have learned how this course functions and how does the payments work. Now, this video is going to be a short explanation of how the payments work, once again, for your understanding. Now, you guys being the commerce stream students, of course, how the finances work and the financial economical benefits, that's nothing strange to you. Now, of course, if you're following this course, you can see the biggest advantage you have is the financial advantage. Because if you follow the A-level course in the normal, standard, traditional way, you would be attending classes for almost like 2 years or more than 2 years. Now, even if you spend the minimum amount, ideal English medium classes are relatively expensive. So when you pay for 3 subjects for the period of 2 years or more than 2 years, a minimum you'd be spending around 375,000 rupees because English medium commerce classes are like 4,000, 5,000 or more. So at least you'll be spending 375,000. Not only that, there will be a transport cost. Even if you go in the bus and walk, a minimum for the span of like 2 years, which is more than 24 months, you would be spending more than 60,000 minimum as a transport. Even time to time you have to have a snack and you have to dress well if you're going for classes. So that will, a minimum it will cost you 20,000. In total you would be spending more than 460,000 rupees minimum. But if you follow the IMA fast track course in the commerce stream, you can see the entire course would cost you just 99,000 because there are no additional expenses of food or clothing or transport, and even for the class fees itself there is a huge advantage. Now, of course, for commerce students you have the 3 traditional subjects: accounting, business studies and economics, and you have the option of swapping one of those for ICT. When you are doing 3 out of these 4 subjects, we would be charging 5,500 per month per subject. Now, the course is 6 months, but of course practically it drags on for 7 months. So each month for 7 months, you would be paying 5,500 per subject. That is a standard fee, which means altogether for all 7 months, you would be spending 38,500 in total per subject, which means for the 3 subjects, you would be spending 115,500 altogether. But if you are making the full payment at once, you only have to pay 99,000, which is a benefit of 16,500 rupees. So there is already a benefit there. But not only that, when you make the full payment system, as we mentioned in the opening seminar, you get this set of nicely printed, fresh notes couriered to your place. And for all 3 subjects, this will cost around 15,000 to print in this quality. So these tubes are worthy of 15,000 rupees, which you get for free when you are enrolling through the full payment system. So 15,000 worthy of tubes, 16,500 discount. Altogether, when you are enrolling in the full payment system, you get an advantage, total benefit of 31,500 rupees. You all being commerce students, you all should realize how big of a benefit that is. Now, of course, if you are not in a position to enroll for the full payment method, we also have the monthly payment method. Now, if you are not in a position to make the full payment right now, do not worry, you have the monthly payment system available for you as well, which means per subject in the commerce stream, you would be spending 5,500, which means for 2 subjects, 11,000, for 3 subjects, 16,500 per month. That's what you have to pay in a month, and you can attach the slip and submit it through the IMA website, and that will unlock the website for you to access the Zoom links and the recordings. And of course, that you do not receive the printed tubes in the monthly payment method, but not to worry, you will receive all the tubes through the imacampus.lk website as a PDF. But of course, you don't receive everything at once. You receive the relevant lessons for that particular month, and you can take that, you can download that PDF and take a printout and use it. There is no other problem. But of course, one more thing to note is that although this is a 7 months course, in case if the A-level examination is postponed, we will have to conduct a class for the 8th month. Full payment students do not have to pay again. So the additional month you have to attend classes as a result of like A-level being postponed, you can attend that without paying. But if you are paying the monthly payment method, for that extra month, you have to pay separately a monthly fee. That's another thing to notice. I hope this clarifies how the payment methods work. Hope this gives you the idea and the further understanding how full payment and monthly payment method works, which is why the full payment method is more popular, and we recommend that. As you can see, you get multiple benefits with that. But of course, if you can't afford that at the moment, monthly payment system is also available for you. Right. So hope to see you in the classes and looking forward to have you all in the fast track course. Stay safe, study well.